So here's how you can import PC videos to the iPad. Let's begin. If you're new on this channel, ensure you are subscribed to Foxtecc because I don't want you to miss tutorials like this one. So there are more ways how you can do this and achieve this. Well, the first one would be to use some kind of external storage. It might be an SSD external drive, it might be a USB stick, or even SD card if you have that available. And at first you need to connect it to your computer and paste your file there, which you then move over to your iPad and try to connect it somehow. It depends now on the device itself. For example, to connect the external SSD drive, I can use the USB-C cable and connect it to both devices. For an SD card, I can use this type of adapter where I can insert the card and this gets connected through the USB-C port to the iPad. But in either case, once you have the connection ready, you can find this device inside of the Files app. In the left panel, in the location, you can find the new location for external drive, and you'll be able to locate everything in here. So you can drag and drop the files to your local storage, or just copy them there, or even hold down on it and save it to your gallery. Depends on where you want to have it, but this is one of the easiest ways to import videos. Then we have the other abilities, like for example, using the cloud service. A lot of people just upload their videos to Google Drive on their computer, on their PC, and then access it on the iPad. You can also use some other ones like Dropbox, OneDrive, and even other ones are available to you for free as long as you stay within the free, storage option. But yeah, that's it for me. Outside of that, of course, if you have a Mac, you can airdrop your files, but you cannot really do that on a PC or like a Windows laptop. So let me know in the comments below which option you went with. Let me know if it worked. If it did, hit a thumbs up, and I'll see you later.